In this video, I show you how to fix file manager not working or file manager not opening problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps. Now click on see all apps. Now search file, click on files, click on storage and cache, clear cache if available. Now click on files by Google, click on files by Google, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, click on manage space, then delete. Now open file or files by Google app, click on allow. Now I hope that this method fix files manager or files not opening not working problem.